Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hello, I'm Shana Shimul. Please subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you are my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to show you a full glam makeup tutorial using pancake and paint stick. And I have also done a smoky halo eye look with a red lipstick. You know, this is such a glam makeup look. You can do this look in any special occasion like party, wedding, Eid, puja, anything. And also before starting my tutorial, you can also follow me on all of my social medias, which are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Okay, I'll put the link in the description box below. So without a further ado, let's get started. For my today's eye makeup, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty New Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm loving this palette already. So first I'm going to take this light brown eyeshadow which is called Sandalwood, and I'm going to apply this on my crease area as a transition color. And for this I'm using a Morphe fluffy brush. And you can already see that I have done my eyebrow off camera and I already set my base with a concealer. And then I'm going to apply this darker brown shade which is called Henna, and I'm going to apply this on my crease again with the same Morphe blending brush. It's just gonna define my crease a little bit more. And then to define my crease a little bit more, I'm going to use the red eyeshadow which is called Man Eater. I'm just dying to use this red eyeshadow. It's so beautiful. And for this I'm using my Morphe tapered blending brush. This brush is a little bit smaller than the previous brush, so I'm just keep adding the color on my crease and I am blending as I'm going. As you can see, I'm applying the red eyeshadow on my outer corner and my inner corner, and then again I'm taking my previous fluffy blending brush and blend everything together. So after that I'm going to take this black eyeshadow which is called Black Truffle. This is super duper matte black eyeshadow. And with the same tapered brush, I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow little by little on my outer corner and my inner corner. As you already know that I'm going to do a halo eye makeup, that's why I'm just keeping my middle part empty. I'm not going to concentrate on them. Now I am going to apply highlighter on my brow bone. And this is the MUA highlighter. So now I'm going to cut my crease. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky or it can be difficult, or sometimes it's very easy. Just take a flat eyeshadow brush. So first I'm using a flat concealer brush, then I switch my brush to an angle brush. Here I'm just cutting my crease with a concealer. As you can see, the angle brush is actually helping me to make my cut crease more precise, you know. So after that I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery eyeshadow which is called Moon Dust, and I'm going to apply this on my middle part of the lid where I have cut my crease. And for this I'm using a flat Morphe brush. So now I'm taking the previous brown eyeshadow Henna and I'm just applying this, you know, where I have applied my shimmer eyeshadow and my black eyeshadow. Just blend everything together so there is no harsh line. And now I'm going to make a wing with my Maybelline Mustard Ink liner. This is the matte black waterproof one. And now I'm taking off my scotch tape, and with the help of a makeup remover wipe I am cleaning up my under eye area. And now I'm moving on to my face makeup. First I'm going to prime my face with Becca Backlight Priming Filter Primer. That's a really long name. And I'm applying this all over on my face. This will give me a nice glow. As you can see, it's so beautiful. And yeah, you need a good primer before you're going to apply a thick layer of foundation, because in this makeup I'm going to do a full coverage makeup. Just watch me. So first I'm going to do color correcting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the shade is orange. I'm going to apply this under my eye area, around my mouth area and around my nose area, basically where I have dark circle and dark spots. This concealer will help me to hide my dark spots and my pigmentation and my dark circle, yeah, which is permanent now, by the way. And now here I'm blending this with a stippling brush. This is from Real Technique. So before applying some pancake, I'm going to highlight my face with a Kryolan TB paint stick, and this is the shade F1. This is 2-3 shade lighter than my skin tone and little bit yellow. That's why it's very good for brighten up the skin. And here I am applying this under my eye area, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead and around my mouth area. First, I was using my Real Techniques stippling brush to blend my highlighter. Then I thought that I need a little bit stiffer brush than this because the TV paint stick is actually a little bit hard to blend. So that's why I'm using my Zoeva small buffer brush and I'm buffing everything together. And now the hero of this makeup tutorial, which is Pancake or Cake Foundation. This is the Kryolan Pancake and my shade is FS38. This shade is actually matches my neck, so I chose this one. And so here I'm using a stiff blending sponge. This is not the original sponge, this is little bit harder, so it's easy. So now I am rubbing like a lot of pancake on my sponge. My sponge is already wet and then I'm applying this on my face. Here I'm just rubbing and dabbing. This is how I apply my pancake. You can use flat sponges. So here I'm keep adding my pancake on my sponge and I'm dabbing it, little bit dragging it and dabbing it at the same time. Look how flawless. Can you see? Pancake is perfect for any special occasion and pancakes are literally glue for your skin. But it's not a everyday thing, so you can't do this every day. You can only use pancake, like in a special occasion, and for hot summer country pancakes are very good. Don't forget your ears and neck area as well. Even though the pancake actually makes my skin very matte, but still I need to set my paint stick and pancake with a loose powder. Remember, apply a loose powder rather than a compact powder. So here I am applying a generous amount of loose powder with the help of a powder puff. I'm just applying this loose powder all over on my face, and I got this trick from my favorite YouTuber Patrick Star. If you follow him, you will know that he applies tons of powder on his face. As you can see, I'm pressing my powder puff around my mouth area so I don't have any smile line, and I'm pressing my powder puff also under my eye area so I can avoid any wrinkle or fine lines. So after applying a loose powder a little bit under my eye area, I am going back to my eye makeup. So here I am using a MAC gel liner. You can use any gel liner, and with the help of an angle brush, I am making an inner wing. And I am dragging a little bit on my lower lash line as well. And now I am doing my lower lash line using the same brown eyeshadow and my red eyeshadow with a small tiny pencil brush. And here I'm applying a few coats of mascara. You can use any mascara because I'm going to apply a pair of false lashes. And these false lashes are from Eye Candy and the number is 304. Very fluffy, curly type of false lashes. So yeah. So before I'm going to move on my face makeup again, I really wanted to apologize to you guys because I completely lost my contouring footage. I don't know what it is. I literally don't know what it is. Maybe I forgot to film it because I was fasting on that time, I was very tired. That's my excuse. So here I am taking these two blushes from my BH Cosmetics Professional Blush Palette, and with the help of a MAC angle brush, I am going to apply the blush on my cheek. But this time I'm going to apply my blush a little bit heavy-handed because after like couple of hours you can see your blush is fading, so you have to apply this a little bit heavy-handed. And now I'm going to apply a highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and the shade is Molten Gold. Beautiful gold highlighter. And here I'm taking a big fluffy brush from Morphe and I'm applying this on my cheekbone. Oh, this highlighter is so beautiful. And I'm also applying this highlighter on the bridge of my nose. And I'm also applying some highlighter on my upper lips and just on my upper brows. It looks good actually. To set my makeup, I'm going to apply my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. This is very good setting spray for oily to combination skin and very good for hot weather. And here I'm spraying all over on my face and I'm waiting for 2 to 3 minutes to dry this up completely. And in the meantime, don't talk, don't laugh or don't make any facial expression, okay? And now I'm going to apply a red hot lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick from Morphe and the shade name is Morphe as well. beautiful red lipstick. You can use any lipstick of your choice. It doesn't really matter, right? Because I'm wearing a red and black sari, that's why I'm applying a red lipstick. I really love Morphe liquid lipsticks because they are very pigmented and super duper long lasting and matte. So my makeup is completely done. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below that what kind of tutorial you want to see next. And please subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe any channel and it just takes only 10 seconds or maybe 2 seconds. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.